Oh. Oh. Mm. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh my God.
Is that stuck in your mouth?
Yeah, it hit. Just landed right here.
Can you get like a what you call it? Oh. Stay right here, sir. Oh shit, it is. Damn.
Oh.
Hold it up, hold it. Here, come with me, please. Come here. We're gonna get on.
Just hold on here.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, it's hooked in there.
Oh my God, where'd that come from?
It's not gonna hurt anything. Just let it be for now, okay? Somebody, can we get some store people here? Okay. No, you're pulling. You need to push it back in.
And just pull it really hard.
Why don't you let somebody?
Pull it as hard as you can.
No, he'll tear his lip. Don't tear it up. Let somebody do it for you. No.
Get it out somehow.
No, it doesn't have to come out immediately. Don't do that.
Push it back in like you said first.
Oh, you got it. Okay.
Oh my God.
Rip the lip.
How'd they get in their mouth anyway?
They hit this thing right here.
You okay?
Oh my God. Oh no. Ow.
You okay?
Ow.
Not in your mouth.
Oh my God.
Okay, hold on. Can I get somebody to help you? I can't help you. I will get somebody to help.
Ow. Ow.
What's that?
The hell. Oh.
You got the hook stuck?
Yeah. Could you like pull up on it?
Pull up?
Yeah, I gotta get it out.
Here. Here.
Where you
I
at?
want you to pull
It's like,
up on it.
well,
Oh, jeez, it's...
Is them both?
yeah, there's two of them in there.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Don't pull up yet. Oh, wait. Pliers, dude.
Haley.
Chris, look. Pliers.
I am, Oscar. He's got...
I see it. I'm looking to help him for looking for pliers. Hey.
Man.
Oscar, go ask someone for some pliers.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's just like the same thing, though. I'm just gonna yank it.
There's a bathroom right around here, too.
Alright, wash your mouth out, man, for sure.
Yeah.
What's
We're still
your-
filming a hidden camera prank.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Yeah.
That's embarrassing. Oh my gosh. Dang, oh my gosh. Really though?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I'm sorry if I fussed.
Right.
Oh my,
Do you have a paper towel? I'll clean up the fake
oh
blood.
my god, I don't know what to say. Like I'm sweating. Oh my god.